Hi everybody, Sumchief here. Today we're going to be looking at the Greek alphabet and Greek symbols and how to type them into a LaTeX document. So here we go. I'm into the preamble of setting up my document. So here we go. I've set up the document class, A4 paper, 10-point article, different packages, very good packages there. Recommend you looking into those. Good to use. Then I've got DeclareMathSymbol. Now this is a very specific thing here when you're using Greek symbols. So a lot of the Greek alphabet, the capital letters will appear the same as they are in our normal alphabet. So alpha will appear as a capital A, beta will appear as a capital B, epsilon will appear as a capital E, and so on and so on. So what I've done is I've typed in here all the Greek letters that appear as a standard normal letter when they're not in the Greek alphabet. So for example, rho, when you type that into our alphabet, you just need a capital P. But if you want to continue working in the Greek alphabet, this is to set the system up so as it recognizes to type them in, otherwise it will just throw an error at you. So I'm going to go into that in a little bit more detail in a little while. Then I've set up the page, headers and footers. If you've watched my previous videos, you'll see how that's set up and why that's set up in that way. So now I'm into the begin document and end document. So in this little bit here, this is where I type everything in to produce the document. So all I've done so far for you to see is Greek letters, just to make a little start here. So now to type in the Greek alphabet, we need to start off in maths mode. So to do this, one simple way would be to open up some square braces. So backslash square braces and then start a new line. So now just simply type in some of the Greek alphabet. So do all this in lowercase. So alpha, we just type in the alpha. Beta, backslash beta, and then so on and so on. Let's just go through them all. Gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu, nu, xi, omicron, pi. Everyone knows what pi is. That's a very popular one, isn't it? Rho, sigma, again very popular one, symbol used very often in mathematics. Tau, very often used in statistics. Upsilon, phi, chi, oh, forgot the backslash back in, psi, and omega. Last letter of the Greek alphabet, omega. So let's go for play, press play on this and see what happens. See if I've typed them all in right. Can't see any mistakes at the moment. Alright, there we go. So we got a mistake here. So let's have a look. There we go. Oh, I spelled zeta wrong with an R. Okay, let's press play again. Cancel, press play. Okay, now I just need to close off the math symbol. There we go. As you can see, now all the Greek letters all appear here. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, sigma, nu, theta, all along there, all on the line. So that's all your lowercase Greek alphabet. Okay, so now Let's try some capital letters, the capital letters of the Greek alphabet. Let's put a capital C there. So start off the maths text. Now basically a quick way we could do this, just copy and paste these bits here and then just change the capital letters. So Control, copy, get this one, paste, close off the maths package, and now just go through some capital letters. Alpha, capital B, capital G, capital D, Epsilon, theta, this takes a bit of time coming through. Certainly quicker than typing in all the letters yourself again by hand. Certainly good enough to show you how to demonstrate how to use all these symbols, and then there's a few various symbols at the end which are variants on the lowercase versions, which I'm going to show you in a minute. Just show you all these uppercase ones first. Nearly there, and hopefully I've not made any mistakes. Okay, let's run the text. And there we go, all the capital letters of the Greek alphabet. So you see here the A, B, E, Z, H, these are all letters that are same as our alphabet. Then we can see here, this one here looks like an A with a little bar missing. So that one there is lambda. That's the capital letter for lambda. So you see it's in line here with lambda, which is above there, which is like an upside down Y almost. And there we go, there's all the capital letters of the Greek alphabet. And that's this is the type that you need to type in to get each one. So now I'm just going to show you a few variants on alphabet. So again, let's open up the maths mode, and now there's a couple of good ones here, so let's type them all in. So if you type in the normal letter for kappa, you just go kappa like this, but if you just type VAR in front of it, you'll get a variant on kappa. Let's just run the text now and then I'll show you what we've got. Let's see what comes up. So there we go, that's a variant on kappa, which is quite big. If you're looking for that symbol there, that's how you get it. So let's show you a few other variants. So gamma has a variant, but this one is called digamma. Epsilon, var epsilon. Theta, var theta. Let's just make sure I type that right. That's just going to throw out an error otherwise. The next one we got is pi, variant on pi. And the next variant we've got is on rho. Next variant is on sigma. And last but not least, we have a variant on phi. So let's just run that. Let's see if we got it all spelled correctly. And there we go. There's the variants. So variant on kappa, variant on gamma, which is digamma, variant on epsilon, variant here on theta. So you see the like a 0 or O is broken up. Variant on pi, variant on rho, a variant on sigma. It's very much like the one that's used in statistics. And this one here is a variant on phi. there's all the different symbols there that we can use for the Greek alphabet. So I'm just going to end this video here now by just increasing the size of the text on that. So let's see if we can just bring that up. There we go. Bring it all into the full page. Again, let's bring it right up. And there we go. That's all the Greek alphabet with the variances, lower cases all on the top, capital letters down here, and the variants on the alphabet, which can come in useful if you want a specific symbol. So here you can see here, this one here, this is epsilon, and this is the normal lowercase epsilon. You can see they're a little bit different. Okay, so thanks for watching. Any comments, please leave down below, and as always, please remember to subscribe. Okay, thanks for watching.